On the 8th of August, 2019, Kate O'Neill travels down to two banks on the Tsolum River. Planted at these sites are loggers, complex devices that Kate has spent her summer installing.
So today I'm downloading the data that I have from the loggers that I've already installed. So I just write notes on kind of what site I'm at, the weather for today, just because that impacts the water temperature. And then I take measurements that I take every single time so I can kind of compare over the summer. So I do depth and wetted width, the percent cover, so that's kind of how much vegetation is overhanging and how much is shading the stream. And then when I go to download the logger, I'll just make sure that the serial number matches and then make sure that everything goes well with the download. And then when I go home later, I can download all the data onto my laptop.
Kate O'Neill is a master's student at SFU and BCIT, who has come to the Comox Valley to develop her summer study. Interested in conducting groundwater studies, she became connected with the Tsolum River Restoration Society and began her project. She uses the loggers to locate cold groundwater in the river. Cold water is incredibly useful for the salmon that live in Tsolum River, as warmer temperatures make for a too quick development that often leads to fatalities.
So this is the tidbit. So this is what measures temperature every 15 minutes at this location. And it's kind of just this little orange thing. It's called a pendant style tidbit. And so I've basically designed this white block so that it gets screwed onto this white block, which goes inside the PVC pipe so that it's not kind of moving around and won't get banged up too much. And then I have screws that keep it inside here. And the purpose of this PVC pipe, which goes at the bottom of the stream, is to prevent solar radiation impact. So sunlight hits it and bounces off since it's reflective. So we're not getting artificially higher temperatures. And then I use what's called a shuttle, so I can download the data by basically popping it right on here. And then when I download the data, it gets stored onto this shuttle, and then it relaunches this so that it's measuring temperature every 15 minutes till I can redeploy it. And then when I go home later, I can take the data off of here, which would be all of the temperature data since the last time I downloaded it.
It's a long process, and this is the first time that Kate has downloaded the data from these two specific loggers. She keeps track of all of her handheld data in a waterproof notebook. Collecting all of the information she needs for her study is often a two-person job. For example, the width of the stream where the logger lays. This specific measurement, taken over the course of the summer, helps Kate to determine whether the stream is narrowing or widening, and what that can mean for the fish that live in it. We're very lucky to have Miss O'Neill at the Tsolum River this summer.